Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, June the 27th, 2020. The second Sudoku is a Two Stars Sudoku. And before I start, let me count all the printed digits. The previous one, the Sudoku with 1 star, had 27 printed digits, so I think this one will be one less. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 3 is 11, 12, 13 plus 3 is 16 plus 2 is 18 plus 5 is 23 plus 3 is 26. So previous one was 27, this one 26 printed digits. So let's get started. Alright, let's see here in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of those missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7s in these 3 boxes. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in that box. Here 7, no 7 in this box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue. Well, maybe I can continue. Yes. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in the first column, we have a 7 in one of these 2 boxes. In the third column, we have a 7 over there. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. How about the number 9? In this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then let me see, a 4 in this column, the last column, A4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there in the third column. In the first column, we have a 4 over there. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then let me see. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. There are 6, so no 6 in that box. One box left for the 6. Should be there. Then 3 boxes left. In this row, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. Then a 5 in this row, a 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column. 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see. How about the number 3? Yeah, good question. 7, 7. Alright, and now I know these two numbers in this row are the 1 and the 2. How about these two numbers in this big square? 1 and the 2. So this should be the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. Then 6, 7. One and a 2, that means these two numbers. 1 and a 2, those are the numbers. No. We have a 1 here, so it's not 1 and a 2. It's the 2 and the 9. The 2 and the 9, that means the other two numbers are the 1 and the 3. No, we have a 3. 1 and the 1 and 6. Let me mark them for you. It's easier to follow. 1 and the 6. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 7. How about these two numbers in this column? The second column, the 2 and the 8 are missing. 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this row, the middle row, the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers? The 3 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. And then 2 and a 9. 6. One and the 2. The 5 should be here. 8 should be there. The 9 should be there. Let me think. 1. 8. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. Whoa. 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. Yes. Am I stuck? I do not know. I need to find the pairs. Alright, let me fill the missing numbers. Here are the 2 and the 9. Here are the 1 and the 1 and the 2. 1 and 2. 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 and the 2. These 2. The 5 and the 3. Yeah, 5 and the 3. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now I have a pair. 5 in this column. 5 in the column next. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 5. Here or there. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then here we have the 7 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and a 6, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. We have a 6 in this column, so this cannot be a 6. This should be a 1, and this should be a 6. 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 1 and the 3 are left. The 1 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them. That means 1 digit left in this big square should be the number 8. Then 6 and a 7. We have all the 5s. No. 1 and a 2. 2. The 9 in this row, a 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9, this should be the 9, this should be the 2. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2, 3, 4, yes, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row and below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 2, alright. How about 8, 8, yes, 2, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 6, I believe. I marked them. It's easier to follow for you, so we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have a 7 here, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square should be the number 8. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers, the 6 and the 7? We have a 7 now, so no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. We have now a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6. This should be the 6. This should be the 3. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. 1 number left in the last column should be the number 6. 1 number left in this second row for the number 3. 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 1. Final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper. It will be a 3-star Sudoku.